The front office department in a hotel plays a critical role in providing excellent guest services, managing reservations, and ensuring smooth communication between guests and the hotel. Here is a comprehensive list of positions in the front office department along their full description. Director of front office. The front office director oversees all activities in the front office, ensuring guest satisfaction and the smooth operation of the department. In more details, manage the front office team, including reception, reservation, concierge, and guest services. Set and enforce standards for guest services and front desk operations. Prepares and monitors the front office budget, ensuring revenue targets are met. Resolve guest complaints and escalate issues to senior management if necessary. Coordinate with other departments, housekeeping, maintenance, etc. to meet guest needs. Manage its staff schedule, training and performance evaluation.